Hello students, firstly I welcome you all to this class. This is going to be our second class for the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. So today we'll be learning how to solve few questions from your textbook. Here is the question. Write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are as follows. So here first term A is given to us and the common difference D is also given to us, and we are asked to find the first four terms of the AP. So let us start solving now. So the space available is very less, that's why I'll just start my solution directly from here. So I'm writing here or given. So given, okay, first term, therefore first term is presented with a1 or a. So a1 means it is equal to a. How much did they give in the question? 10. So here is 10. Next, second term means a2. a2 is a1 plus d. a1 means we got here 10. 10 plus 10, we get here 20. Next, third term, that means a3. a3 means second term a2 plus common difference d. Second term we got here 20, so here 20 plus d is 10, so we get here 30. Last, fourth term a4. a3 plus d. a3 means 30 plus 10, we get here 40. So therefore the first four terms of the AP are 10, 20, 30 and 40 respectively. Okay, next we'll be moving to the next question. So I'll give the question now. Okay, the question is here. So we are going to find first term, therefore a1 equal to a. A means minus 2. Next we'll be finding a2, that means second term, a2 equal to a1 plus d. a1 is minus 2, d is 0, so we get here minus 2. Next, a3 equal to a2 plus d. a2 means minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0, we get here minus 2. Next, a4 equal to a3 plus d. a3 is again minus 2 plus 0, we get here minus 2. So therefore the first four terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2 respectively. So the conclusion is yours. So here one very important point here, if the common difference is 0, then the terms of the AP will be all same. So in this case the first term is minus 2, even the second term also will be minus 2, even the third term also minus 2, so it will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, like that it will go on. That means all the terms of the AP will be same. So we'll be moving to the next question. Okay, here is the question. Here the first term is minus 1.25 and the common difference D is minus 0.25. So I'm writing here, therefore a1 equal to a equal to minus 1.25. Next, a2 is equal to a1 plus d. So here a1 means minus 1.25 plus the value of d is minus 0.25. So we get here minus 1.25 plus into minus minus, it will be now 0.25 equal to minus 1.50. Moving to the next, we'll be writing here A3. A3 means A2 plus D. A2 how much? Minus 1.50. The value of D is minus 0.25. We'll be getting here minus 1.75. Next, we'll be finding A4. So A3 plus D. Here A3 is minus 1.75 plus the value of D is minus 0.25, and we'll be getting here minus 2.00. So therefore the first four terms of the AP are minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, and minus 2.00 respectively. So after this, we'll be looking for the next question. Okay, here is the question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So I'm writing the first question only. On figure 1, the given terms are 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. So we will find the first term and the common difference. So here, solution. First term is how much? 3. Then common difference D. I can write here A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 1. Here A1 is 3. So we will be getting here minus 2. So for finding the common difference, you can take any two consecutive terms, and then succeeding term minus preceding term. Then this difference will give you the value of common difference. So instead of taking here A2 minus A1, even you can take A3 minus A2 as well. Even you can take A4 minus A3. All these will give equal value. So we'll be moving to the next question. Okay, here is the question. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So here, first term will be 1 by 3, and common difference D will be second term minus first term. So here A2 is 5 by 3 minus first term is 1 by 3. So they have the same denominator, so I'll just write 3 here. 5 minus 1 will be getting here 4 by 3. So after this, we'll be looking for another question. Okay, here is the question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So I'm writing the first question here. This is a list of numbers, and we are going to identify whether these numbers form an AP or not. That is the first question. So for that, we will check how by finding the common difference. So I'll start a solution directly here, given. So therefore, second term minus first term. Here 4 minus 2. We get here 2. Next, A3 minus A2. Here the third term is 8. Second term is 4. So we get here 8 minus 4, 4. Now, when we find the value of A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2, we got 2 and 4. It means that common difference is not same always. Therefore, these 2, 4, 8, 16, so on, they actually do not form the arithmetic progressions. These numbers cannot form an AP. So A's common difference is not same every time. 2, 4, 8, 16 is not an AP. It means that for the arithmetic progression, whenever we find the common difference for any two consecutive terms, it should be always constant. That means common difference should be same always throughout the arrangement. So next we'll be doing one more question. So I'll give you the question now. Okay, now we are going to find the common difference. So therefore A2 minus A1, it will be 3 plus root over 2 minus 3. We can cancel here this positive 3 and negative 3, so we'll be getting here root over 2. Next, A3 minus A2. Here the third term is 3 plus 2 root over 2 minus second term is 3 plus root over 2. So 3 plus 2 root over 2 minus 3 minus root over 2. Here 3 minus 3 cancelled, so we get here 2 root over 2 minus root 2. That means just 1 root over 2. That means root 2 only. Next, A4 minus A3. Here A4 is 3 plus 3 root over 2. Actually this is 2. I did a mistake here, sorry. So 3 plus 3 root over 2 minus, here A3, the third term is 3 plus 2 root over 2. So 3 plus 3 root over 2 minus 3. Again here minus 2 root over 2. 3 and minus 3 cancelled, so we get here 3 root over 2 minus 2 root over 2. That means just 1 root over 2. We can write here root 2 like this only. So when we find the common difference, we get here root 2, we get here root 2, we get even here root 2. It shows that common difference is constant. It is a fixed value. So as, let me just shorten in this way, common difference is same always, or you can write every time. This 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root over 2, 3 plus 3 root over 2 is an AP. But the question is saying very clearly, first you check whether this list of numbers form an arithmetic progression or not. If it is AP, now we have confirmed it's AP. So if it is AP, you find the common difference. We already have found out. So therefore common difference is how much? Root over 2. And then we have the last part of the question, write 3 more terms. So in this AP, actually this is an infinite AP. Infinite AP means arithmetic progression having infinite number of terms, but the question shows, the question discloses as only 4 terms. So next we are going to find the next 3 terms. That means A5, A6 and A7. So let us find now. So I will rub this part. Okay, so unless this part I'll keep here. Therefore A5 means A4 plus D. What is our A4? 3 plus 3 root over 2 and plus, what is our D? We got root over 2. So we get here now 3 plus 4 root over 2. Next we'll be finding a6. a6 means a5 plus d. Here a5 means 3 plus 4 root over 2. What about d? Root 2. So we'll be getting here 3 plus 5 root over 2. Next we'll be finding a7. a7 means a6 plus d. Here a6 is 3 plus 5 root over 2 plus, here d means root over 2. So we get here 3 plus 6 root over 2. So therefore the next three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root over 2, and 3 plus 6 root over 2 respectively. So we'll be looking for the next question. Okay, here is the question. So we find here root over 2, root over 8, root over 18, and root over 32. So first let us find the factorization of this 8, 18, and 32. So I'll show you here. 8 means it will be 2 into 2 into 2. So the value of root over 8 will be 2 square into 2, so that we are getting here 2 root over 2. What about 18? It will be 2 into 3 into 3. So root over 18 will be 3 square into 2. So we get here 3 root over 2. Next is here 32. So 32 means if you factorize, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here pair, again a pair. So root over 32 will be 2 square, again 2 square, and here 2. So these two will come out, again these two also will come out, and these two will be here. So 2 are 4 root over 2. So root 2 means, okay fine, there will be root 2 as it is. And what about root 8? It will be 2 root over 2. Now the next root over 18 means 3 root over 2, and root over 32 will be getting 4 root over 2. So I will just wipe out this. Okay, next we are going to find here a2 minus a1. a2 means root over 8 minus a1 is root over 2. So root 8 means we got 2 root over 2. So minus root 2, we are getting here root over 2. Next we will find a3 minus a2. So here a3 means root over 18, and a2 means root over 8. So root 18 means we got there 3 root over 2 minus, what about root 8? We got 2 root over 2. That means it will be again root over 2. Next, a4 minus a3. Here a4 means root over 32 minus a3 root over 18. So root over 32 means we got 4 root over 2 minus, what about a3? 3 root over 2. So we get here root over 2. So now, so I'll just write here, I think the space is not there, root 2. So when we find the common difference, now we get here root 2, here root 2, then again here root 2. So the common difference is constant. It means that this root 2, root 18, root over 8, root over 18, root over 32, and so on. These list of numbers form an AP. So as common difference is same every time. Root over 2, root over 18, root over 32, root over 8, root over 18, root over 32 is an AP. So if it is an AP, we are asked to find the common difference. So therefore common difference D is root 2. So we'll be finding the next 3 terms. Okay, in this question they have given till the 4 terms, till the 4th term. So that means we are going to find the 5th term, the 6th term and the 7th term. So therefore A5 means A4 plus D. What is the value of A4? Root over 32. Root over 32 plus D value is root over 2. So this value is 4 root over 2. Then here plus root over 2 means root over 2. Okay, so we'll be getting here 5 root over 2. So if you want to change, I think these in the form of the given numbers, what shall we do? We'll do it like this. This 5, if it goes under the root, inside the root, it will be now 5 square into 2 like this. So 5 square is 25. 25 into 2, it will be root over 50. So similarly we are going to find A6. A6 means A5 plus D. Here A5 means actually there is root over 50. And what about root 2? Here is, what about D? Root 2. So D is root over 50. We can write 5 root over 2. So 5 root over 2 plus root 2. That means we get here 6 root over 2. So if this 6 comes under the root, it will be 6 square into 2. 6 square 36. 6 square means 6 into 6. We are getting here now 36. 36 into 2, we get here 72. So root over 72. Next we are going to find the 7th term, that means A7. So A7 means A6 plus D. Here A6 means root over 72. And what about D? Root over 2. So root over 72 means you can write 6 root over 2. 6 root over 2 plus root over 2. So 7 root over 2. Then 7 root over 2 means you can write root over 7 square into 2. So we'll be getting here how much? 7 square 49. So 49 into 2, 98. So now we have got is A5, A6 and A7. So you please give the conclusion by yourself, and we'll be looking for one more question for today. Okay, I'll be writing the question here. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square, and so on. So therefore second term minus first term, it will be 3 square minus 1 square. So 3 square minus 1 square means it will be 9 minus 1. So we get here 8. So next A3 minus A2, it will be 5 square minus 3 square. Now 5 square means 25 and 3 square means 9. So 25 minus 9, we get here 16. So when I find here the value of A2 minus A1, we get here 8. But when I get the value of A3 minus A2, we get here 16. It means that common difference is not same. Common difference is not same every time. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square is not an AP. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.